In this video, I'll show you how to change or add another shipping address on the AliExpress app on your phone. So, let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. On your account page, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, look for the shipping address option and tap on it. Here, you will see your saved addresses. To add a new address, tap on Add New Address, then enter your name, phone number, and full address details. After entering the details, tap on Save to add the new address. To change an existing address, tap on Edit icon next to the address that you want to edit, then update the required information, and then tap Save. You can also set any address as your default by selecting the Default option. And that's it! Your shipping address will be updated successfully.